like a bitch, she top rank. All I know is my pop black. She wanna know how I taste. I'm high as fuck with this car fat. Scary asshole, that was not a
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Young Sadi Bo, tan back in with another video. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's like 30 degrees outside. I'm cold. And look. We at the gym with it, man. I got Searski. First of all, happy birthday to the bro, Searski. Hey, my man's 21 today. I'm about to throw some little punches on the jaw. Hopefully, we might spar. You see, we got the headgear just in case we might spar. Feel me? Sarah might get in that. Bro, this nigga through. Sarah might get in that jaw. I'm about to give him 21 punches for his 21st birthday. You feel me? That's what I'm on. But yeah, let's hurry up. We gotta get in there because we late. We out.
Why are you looking at me, my nigga? Why is
fighting in the food?
I don't really feel like editing, right? All right, look, do the transition. Just spin in the circle. By the time you spin the circle, my head might go. Wait, hold up. Go ahead, spin around.
I know. We got in the building. He stink. That boy stink. Yeah, he poop.
You stink? You took a poo-poo? You stink. You like fucking doo-doo. Say what's up.
He like, who the hell is
He ain't banging with it.
Some B-roll.
It's a. You at? You at? What's up, pussy? You ain't subscribed to my video? Oh, alright, watch this. Pussy. Wow, 1, 2, 2. Oh, he talking. He just bigger than me, bro. He don't got no technique. See, I don't got no tech. See, it's cool. You hit me one time, it's gonna hurt, but if you don't got no technique, you don't got no technique, bro.
He said he gonna take your chick.
You gonna take my chick?
He said, bro. I told him he's not your wife, right? I told him he wasn't on that, but he said no, he's not like that. He took.
He taking who wife? Never. You gonna take my wife? Lying. Smash your wife. Oh, it's not wife.
I don't think that's the same sport, big dog.
I don't care.
He just need him in his nuts like 3 times.
He hit me first.
bro, man with a straight up burner on him. Take my man.
Take your wife. And he said he taking your stats. He said he gonna give you a punch up and then he gonna take the money out your pocket.
I'll rip his polo to you.
Y'all better start fighting.
Where you going?
After work, I said either I'm going to McDonald's or I'm about to go to AMC get some popcorn.
Bro, why popcorn?
Listen.
Like,
I
would have rather him go get a snack wrap with something. He
I
go
walked
get
past
popcorn.
the ticket booth, bro. Like, whoa. I said, chill, bro. I'm getting popcorn.
Bro, that's crazy.
He was sitting down. He was sitting down. I said, bro, chill. I'm about to get popcorn. He went back to his seat and all that.
I would have banned him.
I would have been like, you not coming in this joint, bro.
He got nachos. He could have got like a.
No, nachos, them joints not green in the movies, bro.
Bro, I never. Bro, who eat popcorn? All right, keep it to me. Who really eat popcorn outside a movie, bro?
Popcorn like that.
No.
But
Yo,
my
with
thing
the
is,
olive oil and all that.
but listen though, my joint is right. after a workout though.
I said,
But no,
crazy.
it's not even after a workout though.
It's the fact that he went to
It's
the
the fact that you went to the
movies,
movies. You didn't get a movie ticket. You didn't
got the
watch
best
no
popcorn?
movie.
Who got
Who
the
got
best?
the best popcorn?
Bro, but no, that popcorn is
They
like.
got popcorn stores around the city. They got popcorn.
No, he do that joke. No, that joke called like Eat My Nuts or something, bro. No Diddy, bro. What? It really is.
Is it? I don't know.
Bro, you just put this.
Downtown, but I don't know that joke.
It's
on
really,
Eat
bro.
My
That's
Nuts.
bro. What is called downtown, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, that's really what it's called.
It's some nuts, but I don't know if it's Eat My
It's
Nuts.
like, bro, it's.
Bro, if you could take the time out your day to go to a movie theater to get a bucket of popcorn, you could take the time out your day to go to a popcorn
After
store.
the gym. After the gym. Where the closest AMC at?
You got Chipotle and all that down the street.
I'm in shit. Damn, I'm hungry. Let me get some pop.
I'm gonna go to the AMG and not watch a movie. I'm going just for the popcorn.
I think I'm good, bro.
Well, what they showing them, it don't matter. Popcorn's what I'm hearing.
I wasn't going. Man.
Oh, no, it's called Nuts to You. It's called Nuts to You.
That's a lot, bro.
It's called Nuts to You, bro.
Shoot the one to them, shoot them, shoot the one to them. Don't give him one
Body shots. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo, you seen him? He was yanking the top, bro.
Nigga not locked in, bro. Oh, shit.
Hey, Bobo, do that again.
What?
What you was just doing?
What I just do?
What the joint? What you was just doing? No. What you was doing after that?
What I do?
Look, I don't want to show
Bro,
it.
what I
I
do?
don't want to show it now.
Wait, what I do?
Wait, if one going to catch,
Only one person. Come on, Sam. Oh, you and me.
Hold on, see. I'm in that joint, bro. Shit,
Look at the camera. Look at the bag.
oh, yeah. Oh! Yo! What's that? Baby, that's to let the air out.
Look. You got the needle.
The needle.
I got a bike pump.
Bike pump. Where the bike pump at? We about to pump this joint. Hey, bro. Okay. All right, let's get.
We can hit one side with that, one side with the ooh-ah, other side with the doo-ah. Boobity bobbity bang.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's get it. You feel me? We just doing cool. What I look like? Through ball? Help! 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 We about to jump. Go ahead, go ahead. Chill.
That shit, we hit a bump. That shit.
Oh,
All that work.
come on.
For real, that's not even my speed. This way. I'm like this.
Hold on.
I'm like this, yeah.
That's how you carrying it? We on all that.
I'm like
Chill.
yeah.
Chill. And if y'all remember from the last joint, we had the truck. We had the truck, you feel me? I almost took me down. Oh! He was about to kill me!
You're not driving this time.
Wow.
Cook me.
You a hoagie, bro.
Listen.
I'm a changed man. green, bro. This joint gotta hold it down for one day.
That's all we need, one day.
Till tomorrow. We on all doggy do. Yo, I wish I recorded, bro. That joint start dragging it. What happened?
It's snow on my boot.
Oh, you cold. Bro, this joint start dragging shit, bro. I know you got it on camera, though.
Oh, that shit on.
It's on?
It's off, I think.
Damn. That joint start digging him under. We on all doggy do out this joint, yo. See, Mugga.
My windshield wipers cooked.
What you mean? The joint not working? Who that?
My mom.
Yo, G. The vibes. We on all doggy. Feel me? Your turn. Stevie turn. Yeah. Woo. Shit. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is the bid. Listen, y'all, if y'all know us, y'all know we just do the dumbest stuff and we never care. Never care. Shut the fuck up. Now we got it. There we go. Whoa. Slippery. That joint cook in his face. Bro, that joint really hurt, bro. That joint really hurt. Yeah. Yo, we so stupid, dog. Oh. Shit, bro.
What the fuck is you doing?
I can't.
You know how driving the snow?
It's not breaking.
You nigga, you in the snow.
It didn't break.
You can have a chain on my neck for a shot to the head, boy. We just hit the corner, you on phone it, now you're dead, boy. Phone them on your head, they on your head just like a dread, boy. Gang try pour a 16, I'm like, fuck it, grab that cake, boy. Stick up in the dresser, I'm gon' blow your ass like Craig, boy. I just built the same thing, you just put up on my head, boy. And I'm smoking, but I'm off that, boy, you still get head, boy. See my cousin dead, that shit play over in my head, boy. Bitch, I'm from Chirac, I'm from the streets, but I'm not Greg, boy. When I go to sleep, I have my 30 in my bed, boy. You won't roll with game when we get a rollin', don't get scared, boy. Never gave a fucking shit, so ain't no Obama kid, boy. Ain't no Obama kid, nigga. Yeah, ain't no Obama kid.
Look, you going fast, you kicking up. Watch this. Watch my reaction. I said, oh. I think. Look. I said, oh no. Look.
Oh!
Yo!
And they're gonna miss
Look at
Looking.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, he a little close. I'm looking at the other side, like, where you going? I'm like, man, I got abort. Look, I get up snapping. What the fuck is you doing? I get up snapping, bro, because what is he doing? Oh, yeah, like, man.
What Mr. Wild was saying? Mr. Wild didn't really say nothing. Yo, that's the bit, dog. How the joint take it like that?
It got stuck under the wheel, like under the carriage of the truck.
That's crazy, though. You my mans.
I'm going to see.
Nigga left me. Nigga left me.
So I tried to stop. Why you gonna fucking stop in the snow. Ain't no stopping in the snow.
What's the joint? Three Brothers?
Yo.